watched on Netflix, Jamie Foxx, they cloned Tyrone. As much as it's fictional, there have been a lot of theories around the foods we eat, the GMOs, the preservatives, the everything. There have been a lot of talks around contraceptives in women. There have been a lot of talks in hair products, skin products, the toothpastes we use, how these things are affecting, of course, all of us, but specific to this video, women and your hormones, your fertility. It's not in this article, but when I read from another article, it affects women's fertility. It affects your hormone balance or imbalances. It is linked to certain types of cancers. Very, very scary. Not just menstrual products, as Dion Fisser said, but also perfumes that you use, plastics, microplastics. I know Diary of a CEO has made videos about the dangers of microplastics, microwaves, and other personal care items. According to Fisser,
Lerato took this as an opportunity to tell people ngebrand yakhe Flutter by LKG. Amantombazane internet didn't even entertain her. People are saying that she is just a disaster ehlelele. Just because your brand wasn't on the list of the 16 pads and panty liners tested doesn't mean it's safe. The real tea is that the study found that even organic and natural brands were contaminated. So for Lerato to say Tengana wami without dropping a lab report feels too opportunistic. Like honestly, sikhathele ukuthengiswa lifestyle ekubeni like sifuna isafety. Manje sithi senzani ke bafazi, sisebenzisa amakhafu or sisebenzisa ama-reusable or siqhubeka kudlale ngehealth yethu? Please comment down below, guys. Please like the video. Please subscribe to the video. I want to know what you guys think. If Lerato is actually serious about i-brand yakhe, kubuya ithatha nje lamaphezu akhe awayiceleb, apost ama results if she's actually serious about or cares about us nje.